Rub essential oil into the abdomen with hands moving circle-wise. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Rub the belly back and forth with hands doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Knead the side of the vest with hands doing it by turns. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Do the same on the other side. Stroke the two sides of the lower part of the ribs towards the side of the vest with hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Stroke the two sides of the vest towards the groin. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push ascending colon upwards, transverse colon crossly, and descending colon downwards with palms doing it by turns. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push from the side of the vest to the belly button with hands doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Clean the treated parts with a towel. Apply olive cream evenly to them. Treat the vest and abdomen with RF. RF can drench channels and collaterals, speed up blood circulation, and firm the skin. Set energy parameters. The advised operating time is about 5 to 10 minutes. The advised energy level is between 3 and 7. Set the mode to null. Move RF from the abdomen to rectum slowly along ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Repeat 3 times. Shape the vest with RF moving in rhombus-shaped motion. Repeat 3 times. Sculpt the vest with RF moving up and down. Repeat 3 times. Leave the two sides bed vessels with RF. Repeat 16 times. Coupled with hams, leaving the two sides bed vessels with RF. Repeat 16 times. Clean the treated parts with a towel. Dissolve the fat of the vest and abdomen and shape them with vacuum 40K. By uniting vacuum suction and 40K, vacuum 40K can drench channels and collaterals, dissolve fat, and shape the body. Set energy parameters. The advised operating time is about 15 to 20 minutes. The advised energy level is between 3 and 7. Select continuous working mode. Vacuum suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Advised suction time 0.3 to 1.5 seconds. Release time 0 to 0.8 seconds. Suction time should be longer than release time. Move vacuum 40K from the abdomen to rectum slowly along ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Repeat 3 times. Shape the vest with vacuum 40K moving in rhombus-shaped motions. Repeat 3 times. Sculpt the vest with vacuum 40K, moving up and down. Repeat 3 times. Leave the 2 sides bed vessels with vacuum 40K. Repeat 16 times. Coupled with hams, lifting the 2 sides bed vessels with vacuum 40K. Repeat 16 times. Clean the treated parts with a towel. Treat the vest and abdomen with microcurrent with LED. Microcurrent with LED can drench channels and collaterals, do tightening, and shape the body. Set energy parameters. The advised operating time is about 20 to 30 minutes. The advised energy level is between 3 and 7. Select continuous working mode. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode, change the color of the flashing light. Turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash silently. Off, turn off the light. Change the light to red and the mode to flashing. Cautions: those who are sensitive or allergic to electric current should not use it. Please remove metal jewelry from the body when using the device. Apply gel evenly to 大恒 SP15, 天书 SD-25, 气海 RN6, and 中丸 RN12. Clean the treated parts with a towel. Cautions: avoid enjoying sauna or hot springs or doing strenuous exercise. Take a shower after 4 to 6 hours. Keep warm and do not eat cold, spicy, or pungent food. Drink more warm water and replenish moisture to speed up metabolism.